Today, outside the vaccination centre at the Gen Community Centre in Longside, where a COVID vaccination clinic is set up.
Thank you for the food.
Anytime, whenever you need anything, a part of that thing.
Oh, no, that's so kind of you. Thank you.
More than happy to help you all. Yeah.
Wow.
Right. I would like what you want us to carry. This one? Everything I will give you quite a few.
Clinic vaccinates between 700 to 900 people on a daily basis. The doctors, nurses and volunteers are working really hard to vaccinate as many people as possible. We would like to thank everyone around the country who was working really hard at these difficult times to vaccinate the priority groups. TV49 News has taken the initiative to support this clinic by providing food to all key workers and volunteers who are working non-stop in these clinics. We organised and provided lunch and drinks to all key workers so they can work efficiently. The community is standing beside them through food donations provided by TV49 News. Thank you to everyone who donated, helped and supported us. Please follow the government guidelines on social distancing.
Today outside the vaccination centre at the Chancellor Hotel and Conference Centre in Fallowfield. This clinic has almost vaccinated 10,000 people. All guidelines were displayed in different languages to help visitors of all backgrounds. We would like to thank everyone around the country who is working really hard during this difficult time to vaccinate as many people as possible, including those who are priority. Shariff and TV49 News has taken the initiative to support this clinic by providing food to all key workers and volunteers who are working non-stop in these clinics so they can work efficiently. The community is standing beside them. Thank you to everyone who donated, helped and supported us. Follow the government guidelines on social distancing and keeping everybody safe. Vaccination centre volunteers were working really hard with enthusiasm. People who came for the vaccination were really happy and encouraging others to get vaccinated. At this occasion, we spoke to a few people to get their opinion and feedback. They said,
My name's Parveen Khan and I'm a practice nurse. I'm here vaccinating all the ethnic community. Well, I would say come in, have your vaccination. It's very safe. I've had mine. Protect yourself, protect everyone around you.
Thank you, Aamir. I'm really pleased to be here at Chancellor's doing this targeted clinic, which is being arranged by the primary care networks in this area to really reach out to all of our South Asian communities in particular, because we know that they have lots of concerns about taking up the vaccination, or they haven't been able to get the information. So they've been reached out to say, there's a special clinic set up here, please come along. There's lots of people here with lots of different languages to help people.
A lot of work has gone on behind the scenes to put this clinic on, especially for the population that have been difficult to target or who have declined vaccination because of misinformation.
We've had 10,000 people coming through these doors here, and now we want to work really, really hard to make sure that the next 10,000 are people who perhaps have got doubts, perhaps haven't been able to respond to a text message, or perhaps haven't understood something about why it's really important to get a vaccination. So we want to work really, really hard with all our partners to encourage people, encourage your family members, how important it is for all of us that everybody has access to proper information that is reliable so that people can make a decision to take up the vaccination, which is proven to be safe. Over 10,000 people from our local community cannot be wrong in making this decision.
People's reactions when they get the injection afterward.
So everyone has been very, very grateful, and they are so thankful for having the vaccination. We haven't seen any reactions or any adverse allergies. Everyone has been fine.
It's a good thing that people are coming to get some vaccine, because they are protecting themselves and their loved ones. So to me, I would just ask a lot of people to come so that they can get the vaccine, because they are protecting. And I know after that, I know like the way the Prime Minister has already said, that, in June, we are thinking like we are not going to have a lot of people, a lot of cases with COVID-19. So I'm asking people to come and vaccinate because we have taken it, and I don't have any problem with that, and I'm enjoying it because I know I'm protected.
The clinics are run very well, everyone's very friendly, it's all very professional, and they really look after you. So I recommend everyone get it. Let's be safe.
सेफ्टी लिए करानी चाहिए, बहुत अच्छी है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता. I think everybody should have it.
आपको कॉल आती है कि वैक्सीनेशन की, तो आप जरूर जाएं और अपनी वैक्सीनेशन डोज लें, खुद भी बचें और अपनी फैमिली को भी बचाएं. आप क्या कहेंगे?
हाँ बिल्कुल यही बात है कि हम ना देखें सारी दुनिया में ना मिलियंस ऑफ लोगों ने ना वैक्सीनेशन ले लिया है, और ये हमारा एम है कि सारी दुनिया को वैक्सीनेशन जिनको ऑफ़र हो रही है ना, जो प्रायोरिटी एरियाज़ हैं और सारे हैं, वो सब ले लें, क्योंकि ये बात है कि हम अगर थोड़े लोग नहीं लेंगे ना तो ये वायरस ख़त्म नहीं हो सकती. ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है कि इसको हम मैनेज करें. तो मैनेज करने का ये है कि हम सब लें, हमारे लिए और हमारी कम्युनिटी के लिए.
আমি এখন বাংলায় বলবো, এই coronavirus is অনেক অসুবিধা হচ্ছে লোকে, মানে অনেক লোক মারা যাচ্ছে, অনেক অসুখ হচ্ছে, অনেক অসুবিধা হচ্ছে. এই ভ্যাকসিনটা বার করা হয়েছে আপনার ভালোর জন্য, আপনার প্রোটেকশনের জন্য. সো এই ভ্যাকসিনে কিছু ভয় নিতে হবে না, স্ক্যার হতে হবে না. If আপনার কিছু কোয়েশ্চেন আছে, আমাদের ডক্টরসে ফোন করা, জিপি প্র্যাকটিসে ফোন করা, আমরা সব আপনাকে বোঝাবো এই ভ্যাকসিনটা কেন ভালো আপনার জন্য. But on social media and news and friends, অনেক ভুল ইনফরমেশন আছে. So আমাদের সঙ্গে কথা বলো, আমরা বলবো কেন এই ভ্যাকসিনটা ভালো আপনার জন্য.
जब तक हम इंजेक्शन नहीं लगवाएंगे तो हमारे और ज़्यादा रिस्क है, हमारी लाइफ को, मिलने वालों को, हमारे ख़ानदान वालों को बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है इसमें. क्योंकि अगर एक बंदा घर में बीमार होता है तो उसकी वजह से सारा फैमिली पे असर पड़ता है इसकी वजह से. तो अपना भी ख्याल करें, अपने घर वालों का भी ख्याल करें और अपने मिलने जुलने वालों का भी ख्याल करें.
Mian Aamir, TV49 News, Manchester, UK.
हम आज फैलोफील्ड में चांसलर होटल के कॉन्फ्रेंस वैक्सीनेशन सेंटर के बाहर हैं, जहां 10,000 से ज्यादा अफराद को कोरोना वैक्सीन की गई है। यहां पर वैक्सीनेशन के लिए आने वाले अफराद के लिए गाइडलाइन की सहूलत मुख्तलिफ ज़बानों में तहरीरी तौर पर आवेजा है। ऐसे अफराद मुआशरे, मुल्क और मिल्लत का अनमोल सरमाया होते हैं, जो कि खिदमत खल्क का फरीज़ा सरअंजाम देने में अपना सानी नहीं रखते। वैक्सीनेशन सेंटर की तरजीह अव्वल है कि कोरोना वबा से अवाम नास को बचाने के लिए कोई दकीका फरोगदाश्त न किया जाए। और TV 49 न्यूज ने इस मौका पर वर्कर्स और रजाकारों को खाना फराहम करते हुए वैक्सीनेशन सेंटर की इंतजामिया से भरपूर इजहार यकजहती भी किया। इस मौका पर TV 49 न्यूज मिस्टर जावेद नीमटी इनाकोट का भी शुक्रगुजार है। कोरोना वबा से बचाव के लिए अपनी कम्युनिटी और घर बार का ख्याल रखिए। वैक्सीनेशन सेंटर के लिए रजाकारों इंतजामिया के हवाले से हमने कम्युनिटी के कुछ अफराद से उनकी राय ली है, जो पेश खिदमत है।
Uptake from our BA-ME communities has unfortunately been quite poor, so we realised that there was a difference of about 30% between the BA-ME communities and the Caucasian communities.
Arranged by the primary care networks in this area to really reach out to all of our South Asian communities in particular, because we know that they have lots of concerns about taking up the vaccination, or they haven't been able to get the information. So they've been reached out to say, there's a special clinic set up here, please come along.
मिलने वालों को, हमारे खानदान वालों को बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है इसमें, क्योंकि अगर एक बंदा घर में बीमार होता है तो उसकी वजह से सारा फैमिली पे असर पड़ता है।
To get their vaccines. Yeah. The clinics are run very well, everyone's very friendly, it's all very professional and they really look after you. So I recommend everyone get it. Let's be safe.
सेफ्टी लिए करानी चाहिए, बहुत अच्छी है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता। I think everybody should have it.
Come in, have your vaccination. It's very safe. I've had mine. Protect yourself, protect everyone around you, and please don't get indulged in any rumours about what this vaccination can do to you, give you side effects. I'm fine. I've had mine, and I'm proud to have it. And I would say to all of you, come and have yours done.
Thank you very much to TV 49 for the amazing food that they put on for us today. Here at the Jane Centre, we're vaccinating over 650 people every day. It's been safe, effective, and everyone thinks it's really well run. So please come and get your vaccine here.
तमाम एक्टिविटीज़ जो मौजूद हैं, खाना पैक हो रहा है, जो कुक फूड है। इसके अलावा आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे फ्रेश जो थी फूड, वेजिटेबल और दूसरी खाने की अशिया जो हैं उनको तैयार किया गया और वहाँ पे बाकायदा जो है ना बैग बनाकर के तकसीम किया जा रहा है। तो आप सबसे भी यही दरख्वास्त करूँगा कि आप जहाँ जहाँ पे भी हैं, अगर आप हमारी चैरिटी का, हमारे TV का हिस्सा बनना चाहते हैं एज ए वॉलंटियर या एज ए पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहते हैं इसके अंदर, तो प्लीज़ आगे अपना कदम बढ़ाएं। आपका ये अच्छा काम कल को आपके लिए ही अच्छा साबित हो सकता है। मैं उन तमाम लोगों का भी बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करूँगा जो कि हमें स्पॉन्सर कर रहे हैं और इस नए काम में बढ़ चढ़कर हिस्सा ले रहे हैं। मियान TV 49 News, Manchester, UK.
Part of our over-continuous help and support to NHS workers, vaccination centres, schools and food banks, we are here again outside the vaccination centre, Jane Community Centre. This is where we are providing food for all volunteers, doctors and nurses as a goodwill gesture because they are really working hard. We have almost 650 people being vaccinated a day. We also went to the food bank where we provided food on a weekly basis on behalf of Shariff and TV 49 News. To give a special thanks to all those people who are working behind the scenes and helping to run this project. Here we spoke to a few people in the centre.
Thank you very much to TV 49 for the amazing food that they put on for us today. Here at the Jane Centre, we're vaccinating over 650 people every day. It's been safe, effective, and everyone thinks it's really well run. So please come and get your vaccine here.
I'm Delroy Bailey. I'm the caretaker of this establishment. I've been there over 10 years. Glad that we can be of some service. Thank you, Aamir Charity, for donating this wonderful food to our NHS staff and volunteers.
My name is Jonathan. I'm a caretaker here as well.
And we want to thank you for donating the food here, you know, to the NHS. We want to thank 49 News TV for donating this for the NHS, you know, for the staff and everybody here.
Viewer, as you can see that we keep continue like we've been into the Fallowfield, we've been into the Jain Center, we've been into the different places, and we're running a food bank as well. So I'm very thankful to all the staff of the volunteers, doctors, nurses. They are working really hard. So as a goodwill gesture from Mustafaia, Shariff and TV49 News and all those people who are contributing in this, all the food, running the food bank and provide the food for our best people of the country. We are proud of them and hope they will keep continue to serve the country and to serve the people during this pandemic. Mian, Aamir, TV49 News, Manchester, UK. At the moment, I'm inside of the vaccination center and I'm going to do it now, my vaccination. And I will request for everyone, please, if you get invited and if you get any call from the NHS, must go and do your vaccination. Thank you. Yeah, hi guys, I'm at the moment in a vaccination center. I'm going to do my vaccination and I will request you, if you get any chance and if you're being called from the vaccination center, go and get your vaccination. Thank you.
मुफ्ती आजम सऊदी अरब अब्दुल अजीज बिन अब्दुल्ला अल शेख का कहना है कि कोरोना वैक्सीन लगाने से रोजा नहीं टूटता। रोजे की हालत में कोरोना वैक्सीन लगवाना जायज है। वैक्सीन लगवाने से रोजा बिल्कुल नहीं बातिल होता, क्योंकि वैक्सीन उजलाती तौर पर लगाई जाती है, इसलिए रोजा नहीं टूटता। यहाँ ये अमर काबिल जिक्र है कि मुफ्ती आजम सऊदी अरब के फतवा के बाद रमजान मुबारक के दौरान भी रोजादार कोरोना वैक्सीन करा सकते हैं। कोरोना SOPs के तहत मुख्तलिफ ममालिक को 3 कैटेगरीज में तकसीम कर दिया गया है। कैटेगरी ए में ऑस्ट्रेलिया, फ्यूजी, भूटान, काजाकिस्तान, जापान, न्यूजीलैंड और सऊदी अरब समेत दीगर ममालिक शामिल हैं। कैटेगरी ए के मुसाफिरों को कोरोना टेस्ट करना लाजमी नहीं। कैटेगरी सी में जनूबी अफ्रीका, कोलंबिया, कीनिया, ब्राजील, पुर्तगाल समेत 12 ममालिक शामिल हैं। कैटेगरी ए और सी के अलावा बाकी तमाम ममालिक कैटेगरी बी में हैं। कैटेगरी बी के मुसाफिरों को लाजमी तौर पर कोरोना टेस्ट करवाना होगा। इस टेस्ट का दौरानिया 72 घंटे होगा। नया नोटिफिकेशन 23 मार्च से 5 अप्रैल 2021 तक नाफिजुल अमल रहेगा। बरतानिया को कैटेगरी सी से निकालकर कैटेगरी बी में डाल दिया गया है, जिसके तहत ब्रिटिश पासपोर्ट होल्डर्स अब वीजा लगवाकर पाकिस्तान जा सकेंगे। कौंसल जनरल ऑफ पाकिस्तान मैनचेस्टर तारिक वजीर ने कम्युनिटी से अपील की है कि इस सहूलत का फायदा सिर्फ इमरजेंसी में लिया जाए।
Again at the vaccination center of COVID-19 in the Darul Uloom Mosque in Longside.